Good morning. Today here it's PRT cattle. Ayan o. So, yan. So glad we have a lot of rain today. And our pond is almost full of water. And of course, look at that. Oh my God. Woo! So, yeah, mag-enjoy lang ako nag-ikot-ikot because I'll just keep checking on them. The cows are there, over there on the other side. I forgot to open the gate. Oh my God, to stay in the barn. You know. So that you can stay in the barn. Nakalimutan ko tuloy. So, since kagabi, umuulan until now. Still hard rain right now. Oh no. Look at that. So, ganun talaga guys. I'll just keep checking on them. Oh, I felt bad for the cows. I forgot to open the barn. Oh no. Early today we had a hard rain. So today is Monday. Look at that. Glad we have a rain. So grass can grow back up again. Oh. So the other cows, I think it's under the tree. So I'm gonna check it out. So I'm gonna go outside and check them. Oh my God. I forgot to open that gate over there. So, ito na naman ngayon. Today is Monday. We have a lot of rain here. Oh my God, it's a hard rain today, this morning. Oh my God, look at that. Hope the pander it filled up with water later. Look, it's almost full. Did you see that? I felt bad for the cows. Look at that. I forgot to close the gate. Oh no. I forgot to open the gate on the barn. Go ahead there. Go. Wilbur. Go to the other side. Oh, no. Hi. Are you happy? You happy now? Because we have a lot of rain? Look at that. At the back, I'm going to check out there. Oh no. Yeah. So, glad na may ulan ngayon para open back, para mag-grow agad yung aming grass dito. Ayan o. Satisfying sounds of raindrops. Oh my God, you can hear that raindrops. It's rainy day. Happy Monday. Rainy morning. Oh my God, first alert, weather alert today. It's like flooding here in Texas. So look at that. Oh my God, need to stay safe, you know, especially driving. Oh no. As per news today, flash flood alert in our area. So lots of car accidents. Oh my God, as I've seen through the news. And look at the water in the pond. Wow, it's almost full. The cows are happy now because we have rain and we have water. Expected 8 to 12 inches of rain falling. Oh my God, that's a lot of water. Oh no, that was flash flood alert. Oh. Alright guys, enjoy watching satisfying sounds of the raindrops around our area. We'll stay safe, everyone. A lot of rain. Oh no. Alright, we'll see you. Thank you for watching. This is me here, PRT. And have a good one to you all. Stay safe and stay healthy.